So we're going to take a look at the clean deadlift or the clean first pull, okay? We're going to use this every time we set up to do any variation of the clean. So I'm going to drive my knees out slightly at the bottom. That's going to help me access the power from my hips, and also start with a slightly lower body position, keeping my chest up. Again, that's going to help us when we make contact with the bar to make that contact really positive and keep that bar path going as vertically as possible. Taking a look at things from the side, I'm going to think about initiating the movement by creating lots of tension from the floor. I'm then going to push the floor away with my legs to start the movement. I'm also going to keep my hips slightly lower, so I'm going to delay the rise of those hips, and that's going to help me maximise the force that I can generate and put into the bar.